It's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, configurable instrument gauges, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, active grille shutters, smartphone wireless charging, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.